my crafty friends. How are you this evening? I want to do a final flip through the Spring Mist Folio journal. So here's the cover. It's a little bit of a chunky monkey. I put a little spine dangle on here. Creativity with a piece of lace, a feather, and another spiky thing. So I just want to take you through a little walkthrough. So here I wrapped it around 2 times because, like I said, it is a little chunky. Now here we have our first flip, and I stuck in a little miniature pad for here. And here I just embellished with a vellum flower, some lace, and a little tidbit. Now we flip it open again, and here I have a beautiful little flower, a side pocket, and I showed you this the other day with the little mini pad that's in here. I'm not going to take it out again. Or maybe I will, and I'll put it in later. Here I stuck on a little flower with a dragonfly, and then this journaling card. Here we have the journal. I'll go through that in a minute. I just want to go on to this side here. So the other day when I put on the last envelope, I wanted to have string. Well, I was able to take my little tweezers here and slide in the string and glue it down. Sorry, I needed a little drink. So I'm going to open it up. And then we open it up, and I had fussy cut out a butterfly that was on this paper. I printed off another sheet and I fussy cut out because I didn't really want to cover it up, the butterfly, sorry. So, and then I left this here journaling spot open. So if you want to write anything, or if you want to seal it up, I'll leave that up to you. And then here we have a journaling card, and I stuck on a tab. I left this blank, and then I had little mini tab for this pocket, and then another journal note little card. This is also in the kit. And then I have a tag here. I made it shorter so that it could fit into this pocket, and then the long skinny journaling card for this little pocket right here. And then I have another journaling card right here. And then when you flip it over, we have some more pockets, and I just stuck in a little card here, and then I put in another tag here in the side pocket, and then 2 journaling cards here, or tags, sorry. And I stuck on some yellow lace on this one. So, and now we flip it open like this, and then there's a journaling card here. So this ties back up, and then we flip it open again, and then we untie this one here, and then we have another envelope. Then we have another journaling card, and this here was the flower that I got in some Happy Mail, and I stuck on the butterfly was already on. I think it was on there, I can't remember. This one, I left the little mini tag here for you to embellish how you wish. Another journaling card, another tag, sorry, not a journaling card. And then I have the long skinny one here. And that goes in there. That goes in there. And then there's a tag here, or Oi, I don't know the difference between tags and journaling cards. So that goes in here. And then I have another journal card here and a tag here. And that goes there. I left this pocket empty for you. And another journal card here. This one come in the kit. And then that flips open like this. Sorry. There's lots of flips and flops and other things. Then there's a journal card here. Boy, it's not coming out. Oy, how come it's not coming out? Well, this is embarrassing. Again. What's going on here? Oy. Anyways, there's a journal card there. I'm going to have to work on that there in a second. I'm done embarrassing myself. Good grief, Charlie Brown. And here I put a little petit oiseau, a little birdie. Here, and then there's a tag with an eyelet, and I stuck on this little card here. And on here I've got happy, cheerful, tickled pink, content, simple pleasure together, a feeling of guidance of joy, or guidance or joy. And then here I put a little butterfly with a piece of muslin, and she wanted to fly away. So, and then that just folds back again and ties up. I had to tie it up because it just keeps flopping all over the place. Okay, and then I finally removed the tag that was I had sewed to my pocket. I took it out, and I have a new tag here, and I put on little flowers and dream with a butterfly on a piece of corrugated board. This is one of the snippets that I made. So here we have, it flips out, this flips out again over here. So it's quite long, so it's pretty bulky. Now we have the journal here, and it's removable. It's a removable journal. So you can just pull it out like this and bring it with you separate, or you could leave it in here. So, and here you just flip it out. I made the vellum envelope, and I put on a vellum flower here with the word hope. And this is a paper clip. And then it was stuck down. I guess it was still wet. And I put in a little, just a little journaling card here. And I left the back open, but if you wanted to put another tag or whatever in there, then you're free to do so, like that. Actually, I'll just leave that in there, and then you can dress up this tag if you like. It's left over. Here I have a journaling card like this, and this lace pocket, but I put vellum in behind, as I indicated in my last video. And then this pocket here, just a long skinny pocket, and I stuck that in there. And then you open it up like this, and there's another tag, yeah, with a side pocket. And there's plenty of room for journaling right here. And then the same here, I have another pocket. I didn't put in a tag here. I figured I have to leave some room for you, whoever wins this. And a long card here. Then you open it up on this end, and again a paper clip with a dangly on both of them of a leaf, and it's the same leaf that is on the spine. And another journal card in here that I'm not going to pull out, and a vellum flower. And again, this back pocket is left open if you wanted to stick something in behind. Okay, and then this journaling card here with this lace pocket, like that. And that would be the end of it here. So I fold it over and put it back into here. Then this ties up right here. And then this folds up like this. And this goes on top of here. And then I wrap it around this way. And I kind of put it behind the flowers. And then this side, I go that way here, and then I tie it up here. Because it's so bulky, I figured it'd be safer if I tied it around 2 times. And I'm going to loosen that one tag. I think it's glued somewhere near the bottom, because I had already taken them out. And then this one I'm going to put back into the journal. Now this is a giveaway for my 100 subscribers, and I so greatly appreciate. I had put it in video number 2, and what I wanted was what do I do in 90% of my video, or 99% of my videos, and to like and subscribe to my channel. And I have people that answered the question. So one guy online, Lynn Narowski, Tammy Homestead Life, 5 Artifact. So I'm going to put them in here. Well, I just want to make sure that I have nope. Now, I know it's kind of, but I am going to, whoops. Okay, I've got one here, and it is Artifix. I will read her comment. Okay, I tend to watch your videos while I am working on my pottery wheel. It's like having you for company and coffee while I am in my studio. You make me laugh a lot, and I enjoy how you talk about God. What you are creating while you work. Many of your videos also start with scripture. I do not make journals, but I love being the recipient of them. They are treasures. Keep at this, Brenda, and I enjoy having coffee with you. So congratulations, and if you can contact me, give me your address and whatnot, and I will get this sent out to you. Thank you, and be blessed, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.